Synthetic website monitoring in DebugBear allows you to continuously measure your page speed, identify optimizations, and get alerted when performance gets worse. Once you have signed up for a DebugBear account, you'll be presented with the project dashboard. There are two options so that you can collect data straight away: lab tests and real user monitoring. We also have an onboarding wizard if you'd like to explore for yourself to get started quickly and try out the main features. Whenever you sign into DebugBear, you will land in the project dashboard containing your lab tests. Let's add some pages to our project by clicking Synthetic Monitoring. You can add pages individually or scan your website for multiple pages if your website has an accessible sitemap. Let's scan a website. If you want, you can select all pages or make individual selections using the checkboxes and search bar. Clicking Add Pages will take you to the page settings. If you want to add another URL, just add a new line in the input box. Mobile and desktop are selected by default. This will add two pages to your project for the same URL. Monitoring across both devices is a good idea as metrics are rarely the same. For example, the LCP element on the desktop version of a page may be an image, but a text element on mobile. Clicking the gear icon will allow you to select between the four default options, or you can configure your own setting to control aspects such as bandwidth, latency, and CPU slowdown, which better suit your use case. You can also select locations. We have 23 locations available. If your specific location is not available, you can select the nearest location. Let's test these pages with US East and also a European location. Next, you can select your testing frequency. There are a variety of options which will match most needs. But if you want something more custom, you can create your own schedule by clicking the gear icon. For example, this is useful if you want to test daily, but not weekends. Below the main settings, we have advanced settings. Here are some useful options such as adding cookies to remove consent banners. There are other settings including testing login flows and setting performance budgets to be notified of any metric regressions as the page continues to be monitored. All of the settings on this page can be modified later by selecting the page in your project dashboard and going to the Page Settings tab. Once you're happy with your selections, you can click Add Pages to run your first tests. Tests will take around 5 minutes to run. All of the pages will appear in your project dashboard where we started. When the green dot is next to a page, the test is running.